Hello, everyone. It's been such a great semester. I want to thank all of you for working so hard. And I just have a few tips here that I'd like to show you and help you. I hope this will help you with what you're planning on putting together for your last assignment, your portfolio. Now, there's this excellent resource. It's from Becoming an LIDT Professional. Learning instructional design, right? And this is talking about web presence. So your portfolio is a part of that. And this would definitely supplement and help support what you're doing with your portfolio. So read over this article. In here, there's a lot about digital literacy and why this is important and your footprint, which I think you're kind of aware when you're putting things on the internet, they're permanent, right? But you want to have control of that. And this article gives you some great strategies. Okay. There are also some good tips. This is an excellent chart to give you some suggestions for what needs to be on that portfolio. But also in this article, there are some just amazing links and information like these. Okay, here are some sample portfolios for you, and I'll show you a couple of them. So, you can divide it up like these people do. They do really excellent work in instructional design. These are leaders in the industry. Okay, here's another one, very clean and professional. And you see all the different tabs for all the different things that she provides to people who are learning about instructional design and the samples of her work. And then we have this one. Oh, this is really neat. When you first come in here, um, he's got how many people he's worked with, awards, even courses that he's trained and developed, and then some examples, case studies. So those are some good examples, but this article has even more. There's some networking groups that you might be interested in checking out to establish yourself in the industry. Here are all the different like social media networks. And here are some people on Twitter that you might want to check out if you're up there. I've been following people like Vicky Davis, the Cool Cat teacher, for years, and they provide amazing information that you can. It can help you with your instructional design, but you can also share with other people. There's all kinds of theorists and people that are tweeting out there and giving you the latest, most current information. That you need as an instructional designer. So there's a lot of other places that you can contribute and share your work. And there are actual links in here. So check this article out. It'll give you some great ideas. It even goes into SEO. Okay, search engine optimization. So those are just a few ideas for you. I hope that helps a little bit. And I'm just so proud of you. Good work. If you have any questions, just let me know. Okay. Thank you.